Good morning and welcome back. I have some great news. Like in February, I posted a video where we went to the small boat license course. So on yesterday, we got our license. Now I can drive a small boat that is up to 24 meters. That is pretty awesome. I don't have that boat, but yeah, now I can drive a boat if I want. Oh, 1 minute, I'm gonna just enter the card information that I have to do. So today we are going back with the piping company. We are going to this part of the city that is called Lasnamäe, that is in the capital city of Tallinn. So in there we will be working with the same piping company that we were last time. I think we're gonna work with them the whole summer. Now the thing that we're doing with them is like the houses that are built there, the apartment houses, they are kind of like made in the Soviet times. So they have only one water intake in the house, but we are also putting like the second one in. So if there is like any water problem or whatever, then they don't have to shut the whole house water. So yeah, let's head back to the work. And also, like in the morning, we have to go and take the first load of limestone sand from the pit. So let's go and head out to work. Day. Currently it is like 8:24 and we have 17 degrees outside of Celsius, and I think we are gonna have like 4 or 5 degrees. Like yesterday it was only 16 degrees and it was raining, so it wasn't so warm. But today it's gonna be really warm. Okay, let's just wait in the line in here. Like you can see, there is like 1, 2, 3, 4. We are the 5th car waiting. There is only one truck that is getting his load. We will be next one, so let's just wait a little bit more. So we got a load on. Let's go to work now. Oh my god. So the next thing is we need to go up there and stop by this little house, or I don't know what it's called, and get our paper, and then we will head to the work site. Thankfully, like the work site is just up the hill, like few streets away. So Okay, and now we're gonna head to like few like streets away. Okay, and we're gonna kind of park here. I don't want to go on the grass. Like yesterday, the grass was, oh my, the grass was so like soft. And as they're doing their job, we need to wait a little bit more. So we will be waiting until we got like another thing that they need to do. Currently, they're gonna like put the sand wherever they need to put it, and then we will, I don't know, maybe take some loads away. I'm not sure. So as we wait, like I wanted to talk about a little bit more about this like part of the city. People in Estonia like have really different thoughts about Lasnamäe. Like some people don't like Lasnamäe at all, and other people like me, I kind of like Lasnamäe. Like why they don't like it is because Lasnamäe has like a little bit bigger crime rate than I think other like parts of the city of Tallinn, but overall it is like still safe. You can walk on the nighttime in Lasnamäe and probably like anything won't happen to you. Like you don't have to like worry about it. But there have been like issues where people have gotten like hurt, but I don't think it's like that big. Like I wouldn't worry about that too much. But what I like about Lasnamäe is that there are like schools and kindergartens and shop. They're all really near like the houses, and like if I would live in Lasnamäe, you probably wouldn't need a car because the public transport is really good at Lasnamäe, and you know, like the schools and kindergartens, you can take your kids like in a walking distance, and that's what I like Lasnamäe. It is like really well planned area of the city. So yeah, we still need to wait a little bit. They will, I think they have like the pipes done. They are now just putting back all the material, like covering up the pipes and everything. So we kind of need to wait for when they call us out. Okay, we need to turn around and go underneath the excavator with our truck. The bad thing about working here is like there are so much people, and I gotta just check on all of them, so I won't kind of drive into them or like run over them. me why I don't have trailer. So that's why I don't have trailer, because I need to get into really tight places with the truck. So they put me on hold, like the excavator driver is putting material on me, and then they will put the pipes on, and afterwards they're gonna take the same material from the back. So I thought that I think I have like few hours of waiting, and I have my computer with me, and I thought that I would do a little bit work. We have this really awesome folk festival coming on August, and I am the children's program manager, and I need to put together like what are we gonna do on the children's area, and I'm a little bit late with that. So this week I'm gonna try to like get it done. That is the thing that I will be doing today. Meanwhile, when I am waiting, I didn't film it, but we were on the lunch, and on the lunchtime we got a call that we need to be on the other side of, like, on the other part of Tallinn, in Mustamäe. Now we're going there because the guys who are going to like put the asphalt, they need a little bit of help, like collecting the old asphalt and like cutting and everything. So we are kind of in a hurry to get there. Like, we knew that we had to be there after the lunch, but we didn't know that it, like, they were in such a hurry, like. So now we are just gonna get there as fast as we can. Okay, we have arrived. Okay. I gotta park myself somewhere here. We are getting on our last bits and pieces of asphalt. It is currently 5:15, and after that we need to take them to recycling. I don't exactly know where it goes, but it kind of doesn't matter, like, which recycling place we will take it. And I think after that our workday is done. So let's just get them away and we're done. And we made it back home. Oh, that was a crazy day. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.